Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Steam error missing file privileges. Let's fix it guys. You just need to click on the system tray, right click on the Steam and select exit Steam. Now go to search menu and type Steam. Right click on the Steam and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, then you just need to select the Steam tab and select settings. On left side select storage, on right side click on this three dot icon and select the repair library, and you just need to wait for this to get done. And now you just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, then you just need to select the downloads and select the clear cache option and select confirm. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, then you just need to go to library, right click on the game you having this error and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Now you just need to check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, then you just need to right click on the game and select manage and select uninstall. After uninstalling the game, you just need to reinstall it. After that you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.